Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Laurie and Claire Boutique. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a boutique that sells women's clothing. So as you can see, this is what they look like here on their website. So they sell dresses and a lot more for women. So if you're wondering if they're legit or not, you have it here on Facebook and see that they're actually look pretty legit. So as you can see, this is the website that they linked, and if you look at their story, as you can see, they're actually hiring today. So as you can see, they're hiring and they have a lot of stories, and they're actually very active here on Facebook, and they sell a lot of stuff. So yeah, they do seem pretty legit, guys. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.